Right, this is a question which came up in CAT previously. It's a slightly longer question on permutations and combinations and counting methods, but not difficult. Let's see what this says. Let S be the set of 5-digit numbers found by the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, using each digit exactly once, such that 2 odd positions are occupied by odd digits. What is the sum of the digits in the rightmost position of the numbers? You need to find the rightmost position over there. Now, so let's see how many times each digit comes up in each position. Now it will not be symmetrical because you need odd positions to be filled by odd digits, and exactly 2 of them. So if the last digit is 2, okay, these 2 have to be filled up by odd positions, so that will be 3C2, right? Choose 2 out of this, right, into 2 factorial, right? The remaining 2 can be filled in 2 ways. So 3C2 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12. Similarly for 4, that will also be 12. Right, now let's see what comes up with 5. With 5, you want one odd position is already filled up, which means the other odd position, one of the other 2 odd positions, should be filled up with an odd number. The remaining odd position should be filled up with an even number. So, right, that should be the case, right? So this can be done in I can have either this filled, not this filled, or this filled, not this filled. So choose one odd number for this that can be filled in 2 ways. Then fill an even number here, so 2 ways, right? And then this can be filled in one of the 2 remaining numbers. This will be the last number. Similarly, this can be odd, this can be even. So that will be flip of this, so double. So 16 ways to fill up if the last digit is 5. Similarly for 3 and 1 also it will be 16. Now let's see what will be the sum of the digits. So 2 comes 2 times. So when I add all those numbers, it will be 24 with the last number. 4 comes 12 times. So that will be 48. 5 comes 16 times. So 80. 3 comes 16 times. So 48. 1 comes 16 times. So 16. So this is 96. 96 plus 24 is 120. 120 plus 80 is 200. 200 plus 16 is 216. Option B should be your correct choice. All we need to do is count how many times a number can come in the last place. So, or in other words, how many numbers will end in a 2? How many numbers will end in a 4? How many numbers will end in a 5? How many numbers will end in a 3? How many numbers will end in a 1? Right? So that finishes this question.